What's up, guys? Dirt Track Duel here. We are gonna change the belt out on the Grizzly. And Matt, let's try that. Matt always seems to have better lighting in his garage, so even though I have all the cool lights up in here, so I'm not trying to outdo him or anything, but that's bright. But yeah, so we're gonna take some stuff off here, do the seat, take the seat off. Basically, you want to get to this cover here. So I gotta take a couple pieces of plastics off here. I've taken these off a few times, so they usually shouldn't come off like that by hand, but I've messed with these quite a bit. So we got the front end. Use a pop. Yeah, it's popping out. Cool. Got our right here. All right. So we'll take this panel, throw it on the pool table. All right. So basically, I think I need to loosen the brake lever here because this is going to be in front of that panel, or the cover here. I'll do that in a second. I gotta find the Allen for this to take this off and get a little more access here. So I'll be back in a few minutes with that once I find that. See you in a second. All right, what up, y'all? We got the Grizzly doing a belt change out. I'm actually just gonna get it broke down, get this cover off, and then make sure I order the right one before I actually order that, because I've not had to replace this belt yet on here. But we've had a few rides up north to where we've had some high-speed rides for long distance that I'm not sure whose belt we were smelling, if it was Matt's Arctic Cat or mine or what. But so basically I popped this panel off the other side, took the seat off like I was saying, pop off the front here, and then I will come back when I have the, whatever you want to call this, foot guard thing here, plastic off. We got a bunch of bolts in here that we got to take off here. And then once I get this off, I'm going to loosen this brake up because it is right in front of that cover. And that way we can take these off here. Good video. Get that checked out if you have that going on. Ah, I lost the bit again. Alright, see if we got one of these that'll work. Oh, I think that will. I left the music, check these goggles out. Safety first, people. Safety first. Alright, my battery just died. Alright, so we got most of these bolts off. Take a look. Check it out. Around here. Got these last couple ones here. I honestly have never taken this off before, so I'm guessing these are connected to something in the middle here. So, but I need to loosen up this brake like I've been saying. So you see that guy? You need to get yourself a little roll oil. This stuff, the oil that creeps in, penetrates deep. Spray that in here. Definitely gotta move that brake out of the way. Let's check it out. So here's the belt. I'm gonna get a new one ordered. It actually doesn't look bad. Well, yeah. I'm gonna get this out of the way here, and we'll get this the rest of the way off here and take a look at it. Alright, let's take a look at this, guys. Actually didn't have to loosen the brake up like I thought. Like I said, I never take one off, but This looks like in pretty rough shape to me. That is dirty. So I'm gonna get a belt ordered. There's a side panel that's kind of that I took off. And we will get a new belt put on here, clean all this stuff up. Get her ready for our Atlanta, Michigan trip coming up, which is about a month away now. Alright, Dirt Track Duel out. See you guys later.
What's up?
What's up, guys?
Welcome back.
Dirt Track Duel.
Dirt Track Duel. Working on some stuff today.
Door.
Oh yeah. We're working on the big Grizz.
The Grizz.
The 700.
So tell people it's a 1000. Okay, it's a 700. It's over there. And we might even have some videos with the new boat motor. We upgraded from the 9.9 Evinrude
9.9
to 25 horse.
What is that? 25?
We're going to be doing wheelies.
Do Cinco.
Yeah, we're going to be doing wheelies.
This is where we'd have to think of. Pew, pew, pew.
Yeah, and then we pause and then he edits in the picture. This
right
one.
There. Right there. Perfect thumbnail.
Yeah.
Alright. What are we doing here?
We are cleaning this cage looking thing for the belt.
Is it supposed to be nice and shiny?
Yeah. Look how dirty this thing is.
It stinks. A lot.
This is vinegar. But yeah, it goes over the clutch. Where the belt's going in.
Yep. Anybody who's not familiar with the clutch, you know.
There's the old belt. It came off real easy.
Super easy.
With cutting it.
Okay, so Nate went to wash the housing because it's nasty. And with my Arctic Cat, there's a bolt that'll separate the clutch. With this guy, just put the belt on. And you literally just, there's nothing to separate it. Wrap it around and then keep turning it until the belt slides on. So it went on, pretty simple, but that's done. So now I just gotta wait for him to get back so we can close her back up. What's up?
Hi.
What are you doing?
Cleaning the cage to the belt. Check it out. Clutch belt for the Grizzly.
Oh.
This guy. So I got the old one off. It was really easy to get off. I didn't even have to cut it.
Oh, let me see. Oh yeah.
Yeah. So take a look at it. Come here. Come here.
Who put that belt on?
Yeah, I think you did when.
He's alright. He's okay.
You're fine, bud.
Who did that? Man, they did a good job, didn't they? Look at the arrows even go the right way.
The right way, I think. Which way? They go forward. Look at that.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. So we gotta take these two bolts out here, and it'll tighten stuff back up.
Okay.
As soon as we get these off here.
I'm still admiring that. Man.
And then me and Matt are gonna go do a wheelie. He's gonna sit on the back.
Nope. I hope that's not too windy. It's really hot in here. So we got a fan going over there to get some air moving.
Yeah, we went from wintertime to midsummer. This is gonna just line up in here. It didn't seem like it was fitting right there. Yeah. He did when I seen the guy on Partzilla.
The what?
The guy on Partzilla. I was watching some of his stuff. Oh yeah, there we go. He took the brake, loosened all this off, so it was right out of the way, so he didn't have to fight with everything.
Yeah.
New belt in here. Look at that.
Yep. Who
Check
put
it
that
out.
in?
Matthew McConaughey. Okay.
This guy right here.
Cover's going on. We're going to throw all the bolts in there, and then we'll show you in a minute for the test ride.
Wipe it on your shirt.
No, it's white. What's up, guys? They were back. I turned all the switches off. There you go. Oh, it's right. Matt, look out, dude. Matt's testing out the Grizzly. New belts on there. Come here, Matt. Alright. See what happens. Good luck. See ya! Later!
Alright, I won't rip on it, I promise.
Okay. Pull the tires out the ground.
Well, we always my big ass on it.
I forgot this side. Damn it.
Go look at that side.
Yeah. Maverick, come here. Come here.
Everybody hold.
Come here. Sit. Look at that. He forgot I can't run as fast as him. Seems like new belt's working good. New belt's good? Never. Come here, bud.
I think we're good.
Good deal.
Brand new OEM belt. This is a good side. Here we go. Nate's gonna try her out. Don't look at the side.
Yeah, stay, stay.
Got a break in the belt. Don't hit the dog.
Hold on, we gotta get the real test. Hey.
Passenger.
Good? Okay. This is the real test to make sure that he likes it.
What do you think? Good? Got us a race going on now.
Yeah. No, it's not really a race.
He likes it. It's good.
We're all good. It's ridiculous.
This is how he gets off here. There you go, Mom. He doesn't like to jump off of them.
All right.
The dog hair and Truel, it worked.
It worked. All set. Stick around. We got more to come. More
right.
videos.
We grab that,
So we'll see you on the next one. Okay, restart.
Get out of here.